Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So in this review, I'm taking a look at Fish and Greed EA for MT4. We'll be going through the MQL5 Marketplace page, discuss the features highlighted by the developer, review the historical testing information, and see what stands out from the overall presentation of this expert advisor. So starting with the Marketplace page, Fish and Greed is developed by Park Hong Poon and is currently listed at 349 US dollars with a 1 month rental option available for 49 US dollars. The current version is 1.0 and includes 5 activations. According to the description, this is a fully automated MT4 trading robot designed to trade multiple currency pairs. Okay, and the developer states that the EA is built around the concept of mean reversion and uses what is described as a calculated dynamic multi-currency grid system. Now, as I continue scrolling through the page, one of the key points mentioned is the simplified setup process. The developer describes it as an easy one chart setup, which means the EA can be attached to a single chart while managing multiple supported currency pairs when the multi-currency option is enabled. Now, the recommended setup provided by the developer is to attach the EA to a Euro USD H1 chart, enable the multi-currency switch, and then select an appropriate starting lot size, configure the stop loss value according to the account size and personal risk preference. The developer also recommends a minimum deposit of 3,000 US dollars and specifies that the EA requires a hedging account. Now, looking at the supported symbols, the recommended portfolio includes pairs such as AUD CAD, AUD CHF, AUD JPY, AUD USD, CAD CHF, Euro CAD, Euro CHF, Euro GBP, Euro JPY, Euro USD, GBP CHF, GBP NZD, GBP USD, NZD CAD, NZD CHF, USD CAD, and USD CHF. The description also highlights certain pairs as carrying higher risk. All right. The settings section provides flexibility as well. Users can choose between the multi-currency setup or running the EA individually on separate charts. The developer also mentions manual intervention capabilities, allowing traders to close an entire chain of positions on the same currency if they choose to manage exposure during unusual market conditions. There is also support for broker symbols, prefixes, and suffixes, um, which can be useful depending on the broker being used. Now, let us move on to the historical backtesting section. As always, when reviewing historical backtest results, it is important to remember that these results reflect past performance, past market conditions, and should be viewed as historical analysis rather than expectations of future performance. Looking through the provided information here, I can see that the EA seems to have generated 100% profit over the past over 48 weeks, actually, since 2022. All right, and then here I can see quite a steady equity growth curve. I mean, quite a steady growth curve. Quite interesting. 100% profit generated over about 12 months. This is June 2022 to May 2023. All right, now let's head over to our strategy tester as well. Let's see how this EA performed over the past 3 months in 2026. So testing the Fish and Greed EA on Euro USD on the H1 time frame as recommended, and then I am also going to be using the every tick model. All right, so looking at the reports, I can see that from an initial deposit of $10,000, the total net profit was just $66.39, and out of 22 trades that we are taking, 15 were profitable. So that gave us a 68.18% win rate. All right. The largest profit that we have here is 57.96. Largest loss is 24.33. Average profit is 8.4, and the average loss is 8.51. So that means that the average risk to reward ratio is actually bad, right? Even though it's very close to 1:1, but the average loss is bigger than the average profit, and that makes it bad, right? But then I can also see that the maximal consecutive profits was 3, giving a $69.44 um you know win. And then I can see that the maximal consecutive loss was 3 as well, giving 50.99. Now let's just quickly turn on the visuals. Let's see how this EA looks like in action. Okay, so looking through the historical testing information and the chart activity, we can observe how the EA operated across its multi-currency portfolio. Since the developer explicitly states that the strategy is based on mean reversion and a dynamic grid approach, the chart activity can be evaluated within that context, right? Beyond those details, the exact proprietary calculations behind trade entries and management are not fully disclosed. So it is important not to assume additional strategy components. Okay, I would still recommend running longer term testing yourself, as well, so that you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions, especially since portfolio based systems can react differently depending on volatility and currency specific trends over time. Now, when reviewing the historical testing performance, it is also worth remembering that results can vary significantly based on lot size, selection, risk settings, broker execution quality, spread conditions, slippage, market environment, and any optimization performed by the user. All right. So overall, the Fish and Grid EA for MT4 presents itself as a fully automated multi-currency trading system that is built around mean reversion and a dynamic grid methodology. All right. The marketplace page provides clear setup instructions, recommended currency pairs, and several configuration options that allow traders to tailor the system to their own risk preferences. As always, thorough demo testing and personal evaluation should come before any live deployment. So that is my review of Fish and Grid EA for MT4. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.